This exercise is a bear crawl, but we're gonna do this bear crawl sideways. So we're going side to side. The first thing that you need to do is get into what's called a quadruped position or bear crawl position. So you're gonna drop down onto the hands and knees, all right? From here, your hands are directly underneath your shoulders and your knees are gonna be directly underneath your hips. Very, very important. So hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. We don't want the knees back here or up here. We want them directly in line. From that position, raise just a little bit off the ground and keep a nice, straight, neutral spine. So we don't want up here or anything along those lines, nice and straight. From this position, what you're gonna do is step sideways, a couple of steps at a time, nice and slow. You only need to go about 3 or 4 steps, and then you can go 3 or 4 steps the other way. The whole time, making sure this stays under this stays under this stays nice and straight the whole time. So about 3 or 4 repetitions each direction. You can go farther if you prefer, whatever works.